My portraits are really just the conversation starter with my clients. These sessions are so incredibly different because it's more than a portrait. This is an experience. This is an elevated editorial moment. This is when I get to introduce my clients to a facet of themselves that maybe they have never been introduced to before. This is a moment when they get to see themselves through my eyes. It's a beautiful moment. My process is to find out as much about my clients as I can before they ever walk into the studio. I want to know, why are you booking your session? What brought you to me? What are your favorite colors? How do you want to be photographed? Do you have a vision for your session? I want to know what your expectations are, not so that I can meet them, but so that I can exceed them. I want to bring your dream shoot to life. I also want to make sure that you understand what I can offer you, so that when you come in for your shoot, your expectations are met. There is so much communication, and that is vital to make sure that the shoot is a success for both you and your client. Trust is incredibly important with your clients. They are coming to you and into a vulnerable space. Most clients are not comfortable being in front of the camera. They are leaving it to you to make that a place where they are comfortable. I build trust with my clients through frequent communication. I am very friendly. I am constantly smiling. I am constantly sending communications with positive verbiage. I am checking in with them. By the time they are in front of me in the studio, I am like a girlfriend to them. And that's a really important thing, because that enables me to bring down those walls such that we can take really beautiful, almost intimate photos that wouldn't happen if we hadn't had all of that precursor to the photo shoot. It's so important because women want to be seen, they want to be valued, they want to be empowered. They want to still imagine themselves as something more than they are at this stage in life. Maybe we lose that after childhood. We lose that ability to see ourselves as princesses, as celebrities, as models. I want to bring that fantasy back into women's lives. I want them to see themselves as something even more than they are.